In this video, we're going to talk about doing deep inside curves. But before we do anything, we need to don the safety glasses. So this one, what we're trying to save is not this circle piece. We're trying to save this piece out here. So this is the guy we want to save here. So again, remember I said to you the glass wants to break straight? So what you have to do is you have to coax it into the curve. So if you tried to take this out all in one fell swoop, it wouldn't work. It would probably chip and break the piece that you're trying to save. So what you're going to do is you're going to coax it out a little bit at a time. Again, keeping in mind that the glass wants to break straight, you've got to convince it that it's going to go into this curve. So what I'm going to do, you don't have to do this, but I think it'll be easier for you guys to see. I'm going to draw on here exactly in steps how much you're going to pull away. So the very first arc that you're going to take out is a shallow arc. You're going to start at the edge of your deep arc, and you're just going to do a gentle curve about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way down. That's going to be number one. Okay? Then you're going to start at the other end. Right from that point, you're going to go about 2/3 of the way down. That's going to be number two. Notice I'm smoothing out this arc. I'm making it as straight as I can. I'm also just taking out small bites at a time. Then I'm going to go back to this side. I'm going to go 2/3 of the way down. That's arc number 3. And likewise, back over here. That's arc number 4. And then I'll take out the last one. That'll be arc number 5. Okie doke. So, number 1. I'm going to use my grosing pliers to get that out because obviously these aren't going to work, the running pliers, because I'm not making contact over here. So this is definitely a job for a grosing plier. Grab onto one end or the other, down and away. Number 2. Again, same thing. Flat side up. Hold on next to the score, but not over it. Down and away. Brush as you go so that you're not putting your glass down on chips. And as you go, like I kind of messed that up because I didn't orient the piece of glass so that it was comfortable for me. Sometimes when you're cutting real deep inside curves, you want to kind of dry run it to see what's comfortable, what the position of the glass is that's comfortable for you so that you're not torquing yourself into this weird configuration. So again, I'm going to start with number 3. Hold on to your glass, down and away. Brush that away. Number 4, same thing. Notice I tilted my glass so that I'm not contorting myself. I'm going to pull that one out, flat side up. And then the very last one. Flat side up again, contact right away, pull it down and away. Oops. And that's it. So if you have some, like a little bit of a messed up area that didn't come up, that's where the grosing pliers come in. And all that they do is they just very kind of gently take a very small amount of glass off. So that means rounded side up. And you're just going to use the teeth, the serrated part of the grosing plier, to take off some little anomalies, like little tiny weird things that are there. It doesn't do a great big job, really, if you are not on your circle. That's where a grinder would come in, but because we're just kind of 101-ing it today with cutting, we're not even going to introduce a grinder. So that's how you would accomplish a deep inside curve. If you found this video helpful, please like us and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the next one. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about deep inside curves. Always wear your safety glasses.